Sasquatch. Now that him and I are good friends, he wanted to share a little bit about his life and what his favorite foods are. He says he loves crepes, and he wants to cook a few crepes for us today. A savory crepe, a sweet crepe, tart crepe, Sasquatch's favorite crepe. He's telling us that when he was a little boy in the mountains, who made crepes? Oh, his grandmother made crepes. That's amazing. Oh, Grandma Sasquatch. I'm sure she was a lovely lady. First thing, we have 2 bowls. He says we have a dry bowl, we have a wet bowl. Dry ingredients, wet ingredients. Dry ingredients, wet ingredients. Dry, wet, dry, wet. Dry ingredients. What's the first thing we need? Oh, it looks like we need some all-purpose flour. 1 and 2. So that's 1 cup, half cup all-purpose flour. Oh, we need some sugar. 1. Oh, sugar's good, yeah. A little more? Okay. We need some salt. 1, 2, 3. Now that that's mixed up, we mix our wet ingredients. First thing we need is some whole milk. 2, 3. Excellent. What else goes in the wet ingredients? Eggs. 1 egg. 1 egg. Oh, that's a good egg. Yes, yes, I know. I love good eggs. The next thing you do is mix it up. All right. That's great. Now that that's all mixed up, what else? What do we need? Pour. How much of it do we pour in? Oh, half. Right. You need some butter. Yo, everything's better in butter. Also, if you're in France, everything has butter. So we mix up these dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Make sure they're really nice and good. Slow down. Oh, that helps so much. Cooking crepes is really hard work. Nothing better than a Sasquatch massage. Wait, it's not that kind of cooking show. The rest of the wet ingredients. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, our pan. He says it needs to be on medium high, just enough so that the butter sizzles when you put the pat down. That's the most important part. Again, it's French, which means lots of butter. Oh, look at that. You really want to coat all sides of the pan. And you see how the butter is sizzling along with the Sasquatch hair? Don't worry about that. How much do you use? 1/4 cup? Here, I learned this from Tom Cruise in Cocktail, the long pour. Oh, it's so good. All right, now we just wait. While we're waiting, let's talk a little bit about what else do you like to do? You like to bang on your chest? You do a lot of chest workouts? Never skips leg day, though. You like to dance? Are you into flash mobs? I think I've seen you up on Capitol Hill. I get it. Hava Nagila? Your kids go to the J like mine? Oh, look at that. Oh, ooh. Is it brown? Oh, let me see. Oh, that's good. For being such a large individual, you have such a nice light touch. And oh, looks great. Looks great. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I wish you could smell this. This smells so good. Oh, no. So we're gonna make the sweet one first. Oh, this is gonna be great. I know. Just for men works for me. I know. It's almost like I'm a Sasquatch, deep down inside. We'll talk about it. Oh, hold on. What do you think? Ow! One, two, three. Oh, look at that. That's perfect. Powdered sugar? Got it. Oh, getting all crazy. You really can never have enough powdered sugar. Got it. Lemon juice coming in hot. A little lemon juice on there, all over the place. No seeds, no stems. Just the way we like it. Perfect. Now mix. Well, it looks like we have some cashews, peanuts. Hope we don't have any nut allergies. That's no good. Oh, that's good. Oh, good. All right, everybody. Thanks for coming by. Crepes with Sasquatch. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, that's so good.